Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a recent update on Instagram that allows you to enable advanced comment filtering on your PC. This feature is essential for maintaining a positive environment on your posts by automatically hiding offensive or inappropriate comments. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all the settings. Next, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once you've clicked on the More icon, navigate to Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience, including privacy and comment settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Hidden Words. This section allows you to manage which comments are filtered out based on specific keywords or phrases. Now, here comes the crucial step. Allow advanced comment filtering. In this section, you'll see an option for advanced comment filtering. Toggle this option on to activate it. By doing this, Instagram will automatically filter out comments that contain offensive language or phrases that you deem inappropriate. This new feature not only enhances your control over what appears under your posts, but also helps create a safer space for your followers. You can even customize the list of words or phrases that you want to block, ensuring that your comment section remains respectful and engaging. Remember, keeping your Instagram environment positive is vital for fostering community interaction and encouraging more genuine engagement from your audience. That's it. You've successfully enabled advanced comment filtering on Instagram using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks about navigating social media platforms effectively. Thank you for watching.